In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control which documents your recipients see with document visibility in Docusign. If you're looking to manage the documents your recipients can view, ensuring they only have access to what's relevant to them, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, head over to Docusign. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Docusign, or by simply going to www.docusign.com. Once there, locate the Login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home page. Here you'll find various options, but what we're interested in today is the Agreements option. This is where all your document transactions are organized. Clicking on Agreements will take you to the section where you can manage these documents. Now, once you're in the Agreements section, the next step is to choose a particular document or docu that you'd like to adjust the visibility settings for. Selecting a document is simple. Browse through your list and click on the document of interest. Once you have selected your document, look for the Continue button and click it. This will lead you to a more detailed interface for the selected document. Next, in this detailed document view, you'll find an option called Advanced Options. This can usually be found on a toolbar or a menu within the document settings. Clicking on Advanced Options is crucial as it gives you access to additional tools for managing your document. Within the Advanced Options, you'll see a link or tab titled Recipient Privileges. As you're probably guessing, this is where the magic happens. Once you click on Recipient Privileges, you'll be presented with a set of controls that allows you to define specifically which parts of the document each recipient can see. This feature is particularly useful when you have sensitive information that should be disclosed only to certain individuals. By managing recipient privileges diligently, you can ensure that confidentiality is maintained without compromising the workflow. Now, a quick tip, always double check your settings before finalizing your document's visibility options to ensure accuracy. It might seem like a small step, but it's quite important for maintaining the integrity of your document management. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to controlling which documents your recipients see with document visibility in Docusign. With these steps, you can ensure that your documents are handled with the utmost privacy and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.